Record and cause number 324170. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Keyshawn Dwayne Elam. Mr. Elam, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Elam, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Elam, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Elam?
I'm all right. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Elam,
Sir,
you're charged with the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault family violence. As a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options.
Your Honor, Mr. Elam's charged with the Class A offense of failure to ID.
Oh, okay. Looking at the wrong one. All right. Let me strike that and I'll pass it.
It's the first I do.
We on the record in cause number 324170, the state of Texas versus Sean Dwayne Elam. Mr. Elam, the information alleges that the information charges you with the Class A misdemeanor offense of failure to identify fugitive from justice. Now, as a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option?
yes, sir.
Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you in your case, including a loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You have to make one of the following choices. You can either choose to have your case reset, to hire your own attorney, or you can inform the court that you have already hired an attorney, and please provide the court with the name of that attorney, and your attorney will be given a copy of the reset date. You can inform the court that you would like to apply for court-appointed counsel, or if you already have court-appointed counsel, please inform the court, and the court will reset your case, and the court will send a copy of the reset to your court-appointed attorney. Or if you want to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself, please inform the court. Mr. Elam, what is your choice?
I'm gonna represent myself, sir.
Okay, so you desire to waive your right to an attorney and to represent yourself?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Elam, you have to, prior to talking to the prosecutor, you will sign a written waiver of your right to an attorney, and that written waiver actually is included in State's Exhibit number 1, which is the misdemeanor plea admonishment. And I will read it to you. And it states, I have been advised this day by the court of my right to representation by counsel in the case pending against me. I have been advised and understand that if I am determined to be indigent, counsel will be appointed to me free of charge. Understanding my right to have counsel appointed to me free of charge if I am found to be indigent, I wish to waive that right and request the court proceed with my case without an attorney being appointed for me. I specifically waive my right to be represented by an attorney, to consult with an attorney before I give up these enumerated rights. It is my decision to represent myself, and I do so knowing the dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. I further elect not to request appointment of counsel. Mr. Elam, is that your desire?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Elam, I will give you an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor in private.